Hello everyone, I'm Nidhi Anibilli. I'm a student from Ferguson College. I got into Christ Bangalore Central Campus for MSc Clinical Psychology, and I also scored 277 of 300 in my CUT exam with the help of UPS Education's coaching. I'm from Andhra Pradesh, Vijayawada. So over here, people usually just follow the general degrees of engineering and medicine. In 12th, I followed the majority going ahead with maths, physics, chemistry in my 12th. But and then I was just not feeling it placed. Like I hated math. I was just not finding my interest over there. Like I was just doing some random formulae, and I was not finding any meaning, especially. So at that time, around the same time, I lost my uncle to suicide, and this prompted me we didn't have any good professionals over here to consult also. Like we had a few psychologists, but none of them were great. Like it was not a very blooming field over here in my hometown at least. And at this time I was just wondering, like I wanted to do something that's personally interesting to me and meaningful. So I had some cousins who recommended me psychology. UPS Education, I found it from my friends and I heard it's one of the top coaching centers. So I've applied, and then my coaching began around in May, I guess, like last year, and it was actually a very good experience. Sir was very professional. So coming to the classes, Sir kept them like very organized. Like he used to finish like the topics on time, and then allotting like half an hour or 1 hour in the beginning for the doubt sessions. It was actually very nice. So overall, my experience has been great, and also the portal, the mock tests were there, the self-practice tests, the 3 divisions was nice. Arvind sir's teaching, in the sense, first he makes it all interesting. So that's one thing where he explains a topic and he gives some very realistic examples. Like when teaching abnormal psychology, especially, he talked about cases he dealt with, and also he gives some very realistic examples, and like friendships, relationships, and all these things. He gives some very realistic examples that actually makes the understanding easy. So when I'm reading a topic, that's the first thing your sir told me, this example, and it clears it all. So this is the best part I found in Arvind sir's teaching, where he makes it all simple and realistically understandable for everyone to relate to. So I was somebody who never gave an entrance test before, like something MCQ based. So CUT was the first thing I ever gave. And sir always emphasized in the classes to give a lot of mock tests and a lot of practice tests. So on the portal we have like 3 sections: practice, self-assessment, and mock tests. I had first given the practice test, and it was pretty simple. So they start off with simple, and then later mock tests are a culmination of all these questions we had before. So these 3 sections actually helped a lot. So it goes like a increasing level, where a mock for practice was like a topic wise based test. So once you finish a topic, you can go answer that. So it will be like a good revision, and with that, same with the self assessment. It's like more clearer questions with more applicable questions, and so in this way the hardness was increased. So in this way we had an opportunity to topic wise answer the questions like MCQs, and then came the mock test, which is like all the topics together. So this way UPS had like different sections of questions, which actually made it easier because you can do topic wise revision at the same time overall syllabus once you've finished it. So answering a lot of MCQs actually helped me a lot. The number of mock tests I gave. So this was something that actually helped me a lot with my revision personally. I got into Christ because of this coaching. So sir actually made it all very good. Like the teaching is great, the portal, the all the opportunities given over there, the mock tests and all that. It's actually helped me personally. So I would always recommend it for the others because I myself have got the benefits from that. So